Ready to dive into Higgsfield AI without spending a dime? Let's unlock those free credits. First up, the tutorial quest. Higgsfield AI generously rewards new users for familiarizing themselves with its powerful features. Simply complete all the guided tutorials within the platform. Each completed module not only teaches you valuable skills, but also adds free credits directly to your account. It's a win-win. Next, become an active member of the Higgsfield AI community. Keep an eye out for announcements regarding community events, challenges, or special tasks. Participating in these can often yield free credit rewards, and it's a fantastic way to connect with other AI enthusiasts. Don't forget about promotional offers. Higgsfield AI frequently shares special promotions and limited-time deals through their official social media channels and newsletters. Follow them diligently to catch these opportunities, which might include referral bonuses or sign-up incentives for accessing premium features at no cost. By mastering the tutorials, engaging with the community, and staying alert for promotions, you can continuously build your credit balance and explore the full potential of Higgsfield AI. Happy exploring!